Ooh, like a chilly Christmas colour. But I love the bit. I love. Where's yes? Yes. Hi guys, so for today's video I have this month's Lush kitchen unboxing. I received my parcel yesterday, didn't have time to film yesterday, so I'm filming this morning. Now for this month's box, and I think for the foreseeable future I have swapped to the shower box. I just feel like it's a bit more better value for money as you get products that are like multi-usage instead of getting like bubble bars and bath bombs. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I have bubble bars coming out my ears. I do have a lot of bath bombs to use as well. Oh god, I'm so sorry, I can't stop staring. I've got two massive spots on my face and they're really bugging me. Just ignore them. Ignore them, they're like extra heads, but just ignore them. So I have this month, so yes, I've switched to the shower box. I think I'll stay with the shower box. Is that okay with you guys? Are you happy to watch shower box unboxings? If you're not, if you'd rather the bath, I'll switch back to the bath. But I figured it's something different as well because I don't see many people unboxing the shower ones. So it gives you the opportunity to see what's in the shower ones as well, I suppose. Do let me know. As you guys may or may not know, I did mention it in my last video. I might mention it in a few more just to let you guys know if you haven't seen the previous video. I do have a Lush affiliate link now if you guys would ever want to use it. That would be fab. Basically, if you click it and you pay for your goodies through that link, then I will get a small portion of commission, which would help me and my channel out majorly. So if you guys want to use that link, I'll pop it in the description below. No pressure. If you do a haul recently and you feel like helping a gal out, then there you go. Let's get unboxing. So this month's is obviously Christmas, it's December's box. So we've got a lovely little festive looking box, which is nice. It's got like a bow on the top as well. So let's get this open and have a look what's inside. I have seen a lot of people post the boxes. I mean, Instagram is unavoidable. Like I go on it every day, and I think people, I can't get it open with these nails on. I think people in other countries tend to get the box sooner than us in the UK. So they just pop up on my feed and I can see what's in it. But like I said, not a lot of people get the shower one. So I've only seen like one person post the shower one. That's good, I suppose. Right, let's go into it. Open her up. Oh, it says happy holidays. And then you've got that. Let's have a look. Ooh, oh, it's a card. How cute. Oh, this smells really good. You've got a card that says happy holidays. You open it up. And it says, "Dear Charlie, the holidays are here. Soak in the festive cheer. As Christmas Eve nears and Baked Alaska appears, we wish you a happy new year. Lots of love, Lush Kitchen." That is precious. And then, of course, you've got your little card, which has all your info of your products on. I'll just dig in this, I guess. Let's just grab something. Starting off with the shower gel. We've got the Christmas Eve shower gel. Ooh. Is that shimmer in it or on the bottle? It's in it. Nice. It has, oh, you can see it has lots of shimmer in. Love that. So the front of it says, it's actually quite hard to read, too excited to sleep. Take a moonlit shower with this jasmine and ylang ylang body wash and drift off with ease. I think I've smelt Christmas Eve once before. I'm not sure I liked it. Now, I'm hoping that I've just made that up in my own head and I haven't actually smelt it, but we'll try it again. Let's give it a sniff. I mean, it looks pretty. I hope I like it. That is rammed. Look how rammy that is. Love it. I don't know. I don't hate it. Let's put it on my hand. Oh, crikey, that comes out quick. Oh, it's like blue with glitter. Oh, look at that, guys. Now that's interesting. I can feel that glitter. What, shimmer? Or maybe it's an exfoliant of some description. I don't know. But I can feel that. I have smelt it in something before and I can't think what it is. Let me know what other products are in that fragrance if you guys know. I have smelt it before. I don't hate it, but it's not one I would grab for. It's nice, but it's not like a scent I would pick, you know? What have I smelt that in? That's really triggering me. Interesting. So, not a massive fan of that. So I didn't even describe the smell. It's like a powdery floral, I'd say. Was it something to do with the Bridgerton collab? Was this? No, it couldn't have been. Could it? Oh, I don't know. Right, in here you've got cinnamon stick infusion. Oh, you've got fine sea salt, so that might be the little bit of scrubbiness that I felt. Organic agave syrup. Bergamot oil, lactic acid, jasmine, ylang ylang, charcoal powder. Might have been charcoal powder actually. But yeah, that's exciting. I mean, even though I'm not a fan of this, I could see why a lot of people would like it. I probably won't keep that one, but nice to smell nonetheless. Next up, we've got a solid perfume, and I know I'm going to like the smell of this one. It is the Baked Alaska solid perfume. It says tart notes of lemon myrtle, grapefruit and uplifting ylang ylang to brighten your day. It's blue. That's fun. Like a chilly Christmas colour. I love that vibe. Isn't that just adorable? The red with the blue. I really like that. Now, you know me, well, if you've watched a few of my unboxings before, whenever we've got a solid perfume, I tend not to keep it because they're not something I reach for every day. But I love the Baked Alaska scent. So I will be keeping this one because it's such a good scent. And I feel like this would be good to pop in like my changing bag whenever me and Rude go out. And then like I've got a little solid perfume there instead of lugging around like a big body spray or something, you know. Very excited for that. So the Baked Alaska scent, if you didn't know, it's like a really citrusy, sweet, gorgeous scent. Let me read the ingredients. In there you've got jojoba oil, castor oil, candelia wax, lemon myrtle oil, ylang ylang, grapefruit oil. Yeah, it's just a really zesty, uplifting, lovely, sweet, fruity scent. I can't get enough of it. Fuck me, that's good. Right, this one I'm really excited for. I think this is... Hang on, let me get it out and show you first, then we'll discuss. This is gorgeous. Have a look at that. Look at that. Wow. That is Ramo with shimmer. Love it. Oh, look at my fingers. Now, this is tripping me out because I think this is meant to be... I hope that comes off. Jeez Louise. I think this is Once Upon a Time scented. And it's doing that thing with me again where I like it more in other products than other ones. It smells blooming gorgeous in this. But in the body lotion, I'm not a massive fan of it. But in here, that is nice. It's like a sour apple candy scent. Ooh. Really, really love that. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, I'm chuffed with that. I do like a soap recently. I've said before, I don't use them on my body. They do just go straight into my soap dish. But that's stunning. That is stunning. Very excited to try that. I'm gonna have glitter all over my hands for the rest of the video. Let's just ignore. So next up, we've got a shower jelly, which is super exciting. I love a shower jelly. This is called the Jilted Elf shower jelly. Let's just give it a sniff. Doesn't say anything on the front. Should we have a look at the ingredients? In it, obviously, you've got your carrageenan extract, organic agave syrup, cinnamon leaf oil, ginger oil, grapefruit oil. Is it a zesty one? With a bit of spice, maybe? Oh, goodness, that's beautiful. Wow, it's a bright green with shimmer all the way through. That ain't for me. That ain't a bit of me. It's very spicy. It gives me like the pumpkin pie soap that was out for Halloween, the Madam President scent. It gives me that a little bit, that kind of spice with like a bit of apple. I wonder if it's ginger. I'm not a fan of. Maybe it's ginger in certain products, but I'm not going to get that out because I probably won't keep that, so I don't want to be touching it if it's not going to be mine. So we have that. It's hella cute. I wish it smelled different, but never mind. Very nice. Glad I got to smell it. Finally, we have a hand cream, which I am in dire need of recently. My hands are horrendous. I go through stages. Sometimes they get better. Sometimes I wash my hands too much, they get worse, and I chew on them, and when I get anxious, it's just not good. So we've got a hand cream. This is Smitten hand cream. Coot. It says, soothing chamomile and marigold infusion mark the beginning of your long-term relationship with softer hands. Going to be floral then, I take it. It's a really thick number, which is good, just what you want for your hands. That's gorgeous. I feel like I used to use this when I was younger. I definitely used to use something in this scent when I was younger. That's blooming stunning. So it indicates it would be floral, you know. What other ingredients have we got in here? So there's obviously your shea butter and stuff to moisturise, jojoba oil. You've got benzoin, resinoid, rose absolute, cassie absolute, avocado oil, cocoa butter. Oh god, got loads in there, loads. But it's a very, what has this been something recently as well? Just gotten it everywhere. What a dum-dum. I mean, we can try it, can't we? So it's nice and thick. I'm extremely happy with that one. Like I said, I've been in desperate need of a hand cream, and I'm running out of lotions as well, to be honest with you guys. Like, I think the only lotions I have left are a smidge of a Sticky Dates and, do I have anything else? A Tingle. Sorry, I was just checking my bedside table. That is really thick, really moisturising. Hopefully that heals up my hands, because I hate doing demos and stuff, and I have to put my hands in them, and I'm trying to like not include my dry finger. But yeah, that is I like that box. Like, even though I'm not going to keep all of it, that's fine, because I enjoy trying these boxes out. I enjoy sharing them with you guys, and it isn't the end of the world if I don't like stuff. I can just sell it, or I can pass it on to family or friends. It's really not the end of the world, and at least then I can say that I've smelt it and I do or don't like it. So yes. Yes. So we've got these three that we're very happy with, that we're going to keep. I love all three of those scents, really love those, so more than makes up for the fact that I don't like the other two, which is absolutely fine. I feel like I would have really liked, though, I've seen people unbox the bath box, and I think I would have really enjoyed now the bubble bar and the bath bomb. I think the bath bomb has like bells or something fun in the centre of it, and then I think the bubble bar is plum rain scented, so I might keep a look out Vinted and grab those as a replacement for these two, you know. So then I've got like a full box. But yeah, let me know, are you guys okay with me switching to a shower box? Is that all right with you? If not, let me know and I'll just switch back to a bath. It's not the end of the world. Did you guys get this month's box? If so, do let me know what your favourite is, or if there's something you're not as keen on, do let me know. Love chatting with you guys as always. I hope you have the most fantastic day. I love you so much. Bye bye.